Hello everybody and welcome back to welcome to part 2, how to clean your K8 machine. So the time's already passed. It's already been 3 hours, and so now we're going to uh, put actually this is the old filter that I've been using since April of last year, 2020. We're not going to do that. We're going to replace the new one. Um, like I said, the filter lasts about 8 to 12 months. However, I just decided I'm going to go ahead and change it now. And I've already taken it out and put the sticker on it with the new date, February 5th, 2021. So we're about to put that on. So anyway, once 3 hours has passed, all you have to do is touch your screen. Then it says, please remove the cap from the secondary hose. Again, that's this hose right here at the bottom. Just take the little red cap off. Let the machine drain the water out. Okay. Then you click OK. Once you get here, it says, please remove the cleaning cartridge and reinstall the filter. In this case, we're going to install the new filter. Actually, always keep a paper towel handy, and you just unlock the little lock here. Just remove it, this little lock here. Then wiggle out your cleaning cartridge. Okay, and both the O-rings are still in there, so it's good. We're going to put that back up. The machine is still actually draining, so I'm going to let it drain a little bit more. I always like to clean the little holes where the filter actually sits in. You got a big hole and a little hole. So you just I like to clean them off real good. And then put in the new filter. Set it in there, nice and snug. Then you put your clamp back on it, your lock. Turn it all the way till it locks. Then you click OK. Then it says, once you press OK, it says please remove the cleaning tank and reinstall the previous tank. And the previous tank is the electrolysis tank. This is the basically salt water, which makes your strong acidic and your strong alkaline water. The electrolysis enhancer is in these little plastic bottles here, if you can see that. And that's what goes in your little electrolysis tank. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take out the cleaning cartridge. If you have if you just recently got your K8, the new cleaning tanks are actually the same as this, but instead of saying Levolute K8, it's going to say cleaning cartridge. Okay. So if it powers off, don't worry about it. Anyway, you just reinstall the electrolysis tank, and then you start off where you left off. So then it says please remove the cleaning tank and reinstall the previous tank, which we already did, and then you just click OK. Then it says run water to rinse the machine. So we're going to rinse the machine, and it takes 3 minutes or 300 seconds actually. So it's 300 seconds, and it's rinsing out all the cleaning solution out of it. But since we just put a brand new filter on there, anytime you change your new filter, you want to run your water at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so anyway, and that's all you do. Then once it finishes its rinsing, you can start reinstalling the covers back on. They just snap on just like that. And while it's still rinsing, I normally go ahead and just put my covers back on. And we'll just let it time out. Actually, when it times out, I'm going to let it run a couple extra minutes since I just put a new filter in there. So that's going to give it a chance to rinse out the new filter. But anyway, this K8 makes 7 different types of water. It's going to make the strong 2.5 water, which is used to kill MRSA, staph, gangrene, diabetic lesions, any kind of bacteria. Okay, and then it makes strong. Alkaline water, which is basically 11.5, which is basically used for degreasing, window cleaning, washing pesticides off your fruits and vegetables, and we'll get into all those later on. And then it makes little beauty water. We got little beauty bottles. This is a 6.0 pH, and that's going to help. It's, tone your skin. It's a natural skin toner. Maybe, I don't know if you can see that, but just put a couple of little sprays on there, let it dry, and then a little bit you just compare your hands, and you'll see the difference that it makes. It's going to actually bring out your natural skin tone, tighten your skin, and hydrate your skin. So it's really, really awesome machine. Again, the Enagic's been making the best water ionizer since 1974. They've only been in the United States since 2003. And there's no other water ionizer on the world like this. This one's actually called a K8, meaning it's a Kangen 8, which Kangen in Japanese means return to origin, and it has 8 because it has 8 medical grade platinum coated titanium plates in there, which whenever the water goes up and over each plate is getting 230 watts of electricity, which when you electrocute water over platinum, it creates strong hydrogen water, which is basically alkaline water. Okay, and it makes 3 different kinds of alkaline water: 8.5, 9.0, and 9.5. So there's 3. Then it makes the beauty water, which is 6.0, the clean water, which is neutral, 7.0 water, and then it makes the strong alkaline, 11.5, and the strong acidic, 2.5. And these machines are made to last 20 plus years. Has a 5-year warranty, 30-day money back satisfaction guarantee. And those of you that already own a machine, I know you love your machine. I know you wouldn't trade it for anything else. Everybody that's ever gone through me as their distributor to get a machine has been super happy and would never take their machine back. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure you give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Be sure you share this video and subscribe. And again, if you don't have a machine yet, it's the best way you can save money, because bottled water companies, they purify tap water and add the minerals to make it appear alkaline, but it's not genuine alkaline. And just since the machine came up, let me just show you this real quick. So this is clean water, which is 7.0, beauty water, which is 6.0, strong acidic water. And when you're making strong acidic water, it comes out from the bottom hose, and the strong alkaline water, 11.5, comes out from the top hose. So the bottom hose is strong acidic, 2.5 pH. Top hose is 11.5, strong alkaline water. Then you have Kangen water 8.5. Kangen water 9.0. The 8.5 is basically, you can use it to start off with. So if you just got your machine, you want to start off with drinking the 8.5 because it's very antioxidant, which means it's going to detox you. And some people are a little bit more toxic than others. So if you always start off with 8.5 after about a week or two, just go ahead and move up to 9.0, and then after about a few days of that, then you move up to 9.5, and that's what Japanese recommend, or NAGIC recommends, that NAGIC recommends everybody drink or get up to, because that's like the healthiest drinking water on the planet. According to the United Nations website, the Japanese are the longest living, healthiest people on the planet. And anyway, I like to copy whoever has the best results, and so that's why I got my machine, or one of the reasons I got the machine. But yeah, we're going to be having upcoming videos on how to do or how to use all these different types of water and save you tons of money. Again, at about 8 cents a gallon. So you can't beat that. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and hope you'll learn how to clean your K8 machine now. And anyway, remember to give us a thumbs up. Thanks.